Hello everyone. It is 1 o'clock and Brookings out again on this beautiful rainy Sunday. No wait, it's Monday. Okay, my bad. It's Monday. Feels like a Sunday because look at it. And look, we're just feeding our favorite little birds. Okay, they're not so little. Yeah.
How are they doing on your pile?
They're doing pretty good. But they're liking yours better.
It's a brand wheat.
Doesn't it? Yeah, let's see. They look like the chickens. There's way out there. This over here. I have a couple over there. Like not having. After they leave, the little birds come in and get the scrumptious crumbs. So, yeah, just feeding the birds.